Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Yemin's Beautiful. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell. Anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And please also like my content, guys. Please remember to share to your friends and family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. So guys, welcome. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about talking about how to make a knuckle maintenance oil. Yes. So after getting rid of your knuckles, your dark knuckles, what you do, you don't just leave it like that. You need to maintain your hands so that your hands will continue to be clean. If you neglect your hands, that's your knuckles, it's going to get back to being dark, and you don't want that. So you need something to maintain your hands, to maintain your knuckles to be clean. What is that? That's why this video is here. So guys, welcome. Please watch this video to the end so that you will not miss anything, any of the ingredients or recipe I'm going to be telling you. So I'm just going to be using just very few things to make this knuckle maintenance oil. There are so many others. Yes, there are so many others. Okay, so for this video, we are going to be using 4 ingredients. Yes, for this particular recipe. The first one, what you will need is you will need pimento. Yes, you need to make a reasonable amount or quantity so that when this one finishes, you are able to turn and have, not doing small, and for those that are very busy, might not have time to keep doing it. So you'll be needing pimento. For this recipe, you're going to be using half of the bottle, half of pimento. Please make sure you get the original items. There are so many fake out there. You get the original items in the market. Okay, pimento, half bottle. Then you'll be needing knuckleeraser serum. Yeah, it's also a knuckle corrector serum. Yeah, you'll be needing that. You'll also be needing 42-hour serum. You know that, or should I put? Okay, I'm going to put it up because so many people are still confused. But I have a video showing the different types because we have different. They have one that is a cleanser. We have the other one. It's a serum. It's more or less like an oil. Yeah, so it's the oil we are talking about in this recipe. Okay, I've mentioned pimento, half bottle. Knuckleeraser serum, you need 1 bottle of that. Then you need 42-hour serum, you need half bottle. They're actually I think they're in 3 different bottles. We have 30 mils, we have 70, and we have 150. So if you are using the 30 mils, you will need all of it. If you are using the 70 mils, you go with half of it. Yeah, then we'll be needing Nature's Secret oil. Yes, you'll be needing 15 mils of it. Mix everything based on this, or you can adjust it to the quantity you want. But for this recipe, I've mentioned the measurement. Okay, mix this oil and then put it inside your bottle. That's your knuckle maintenance oil. You can pour it into a dropper bottle. Yeah, so that it can fit into your handbag, so that anytime, let's say you wash your hands, anytime you wash your hands, you remember to and rub on your hands, moisturize your hands. So that's one of the oils, or one of the recipe for knuckle maintenance oil. Please don't go clearing your knuckles and then leaving it like that. It's going to go back black, and it's going to go back worse. You need to maintain it. You need to maintain. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please remember to thumbs up. For those that have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon there. Yes, so see you on another video. Bye guys.